In another blow to Zimbabwe's military establishment, a Vice Marshal retired, Winnie B. Mandeya, a celebrated Liberation War veteran and a senior officer of the Air Force of Zimbabwe, has died under circumstances that were officially described as natural, fuel growing suspicions of a systematic fake of General once instrumental in the 2017 ouster of Robert Mugabe. This senior officer of Air Force of Zimbabwe panguva ine over one of vamwewo mageneral vari kukatsakatika after the 2017 coup was subscribed like on the bed of Timna Munamobla Comchinzi, Monday aged 64, passed away early Monday morning at St. Anne's Hospital in Harare, confirming her death. Air Marshal Jacob John Zede said Monday was a medical day who had served the Air Force with the dedication and loyalty since 1984 after the illustrious record during Zimbabwe's liberation struggle. A funeral parade is set to be held at Miami Air Force Base on Tuesday. Matias' death adds to the growing and troubling list of 30 senior generals who have died since the 2017 military-assisted transition that saw Emerson Mnangagwa ascend to power. Analysts and insiders alike warn that these deaths are unlikely to be coincidental. Since the dramatic events of the November 2017, when tanks rolled into Harare and the long-serving Mugabe was ousted, Zimbabwe's political landscape has been dominated by the military elite who engineered the change. Yet, the architects of that transition are now falling one by one. Thomas Karubuda Panapa, Nachit Aiwa, Kutsakatika Kwaita, Kanakufa Kwaita, or this Air Vice Marshal Aiwa, she is one of the people who lead the coup, and now they are now being attacked against. Tuze mafunguro enyu muri kudipa msoro kuchitwa ichi. Na comment section yedu, so mafunguro enyu sana subscribe or like, and on the bell icon.